Hi Caterpillars. I've been told that you have been talking about different weather this week, so I thought I would do a story about a windy day. Today was a windy day. Doors were shaking, our windows were rattling, even the TV was crackling. He's getting his hat and his scarf on, look, it's really windy. On the way to the shops, I saw branches bending and leaves blowing. I heard trees cracking. Oh, look, they're getting blown away. It's so windy. People were being blown about. Look, all the leaves being blown everywhere. I'll have to hold on tight to people's hands. Dogs' ears were flapping all over the place. Look at that tree. How windy it is. Ships splashing, waves crashing, and birds were soaring. Look at them big, scary waves at the seaside, look. When we got to Windy Hill, Dad unwrapped his parcel. I wonder what this was going to be to play in the wind. It was a dragon kite. The best thing for a windy day. Now we are flying our beautiful dragon kite. What a windy day. Look, there it is all the way up in the sky. I enjoyed reading that book. I wonder if you've got any stories about different weather, and maybe if you brought them to the next welcome, you could show the teachers. Have a lovely time. Bye.